Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a percentage to a column of numbers in Excel. This works the same on Windows, Mac, or in your web browser. Open your Excel file with the column of numbers you want to increase. For this example, your numbers are in column A, rows 2 through 10, and you want to increase them all by 10%. Click on any empty cell near your data. Cell D2 works well. Type in your percentage increase. You can enter it as 0.10 for 10%. Or just type 10% with the percent sign. Excel understands both. Next, click on the cell where you want your first result to appear. If your data is in column A, click on cell B2. Type this formula, equals A2 times open parenthesis 1 plus D2 close parenthesis. That's your original number multiplied by 1 plus your percentage. The parentheses make sure Excel adds before multiplying. Press enter on your keyboard. The cell now shows your first number increased by 10%. Look at the bottom right corner of that cell. You'll see a small green square called the fill handle. Double-click it. The formula instantly copies down to match all the rows in your column, and all your increased values appear. Here are a few things to know after you're done. If you want to keep the percentage cell fixed when copying the formula to other columns, use absolute references by typing dollar signs around the cell letter and number, like $D $2, instead of just D2. If you want to replace your original numbers with the increased values, copy your result column, right-click your original column, choose Paste Special, select Values, and click OK. This removes the formulas and leaves just the numbers. You can then delete the helper columns. To format your results as currency or adjust decimal places, select the result column and use the number format dropdown in the Home tab. That's how you add a percentage to a column in Excel.